In this lecture, I am going to explain about Moore and Mealy machine example. In previous lecture, we have seen Moore machine is output symbol at a given time depends on the present state of machine. Mealy machine is output symbol at a given time is a function of the present input symbol as well as the present state of the machine. In this lecture, we construct Moore machine for residue mod 3 for binary number and Mealy machine for string ending with 00 and 11. If the string ending with 00, then the string accepted by Mealy machine, and if the string ending with 11, then the string is accepted by Mealy machine. And we are also construct the two complement of a given binary number.
The Moore machine example. Construct a Moore machine to determine the residue mod 3 for binary number. If I is a binary number and if we write 0 after I, then its value becomes 2i. If we write 1 after I, then its value becomes 2i plus 1. For example, if I is equal to 1, if we write 0 after 1, then value become 2. And I is equal to 1, if we write 1 after 1, then its value becomes 3. As we are constructing the machine to determine remainder when we divide any binary number by 3. Same as a divisibility by 3 tester, different remainder values that we can have, these are nothing but the Q0 is the 0 remainder state, Q1 is the 1 remainder state, and Q2 is the 2 remainder state. Here in a Moore machine, we construct lambda machine function table and Dale transition function table. The lambda produces the output symbol and the Dale function table produces the states. Now, in a lambda machine function, the states are Q0 is a 0 remainder state, it will produce the output 0. Q1 is the 1 remainder state, it will produce the output 1. Q2 will be 2 remainder state, it will produce the output 2. The Dale transition function is same as divisibility by 3 tester for finite state machine. The Dale produces the finite set of the states. In a Q0 state, if input is a 0, it will produce the state Q0. If input is a 1, it will produce the state Q1. Here we consider binary number, then input is 0 and 1. In a Q0 state, remainder is a 0. If input is a 0, then number becomes 0, 0. If we divide by 3, it is divisible. Then machine is in 0 remainder state. That is, it will produce the output Q0. Same as in Q0 state, if input is a 1, the number becomes 0, 1. The 0, 1 is the binary number, then number becomes 1. If we divide by 3, that is 1 divided by 3, then remainder will be 1. Then machine goes to 1 remainder state, that is Q1 state. In Q1 state, if input is a 0, then number becomes 1, 0. That is, binary number 1 0 is nothing but number is 2. If we divide by 3, 2 divided by 3, then machine goes to 2 remainder state, that is Q2 state. In Q1 state, if input is a 1, then number becomes 1 1. The binary number 1 1 is nothing but number is a 3. If we divide by 3, 3 divided by 3, the remainder is 0 and it is divisible by 3 and the machine is in Q0 state. In a Q2 state, the remainder is 2 remainder state. In binary, 2 can be written as 1 0 and the next input will be 0, the number becomes 4. 1 0 0 is nothing but number is a 4. If we divide by 3, that is 4 divided by 3, it will produce the remainder 1 and machine is in Q1 state. In a Q2 remainder state, if input is a 1, the number becomes 1 0 1, that is decimal number is 5. If we divide by 3, 5 divided by 3, it will produce the remainder 2 and the machine goes to Q2 state. Next step is a transition diagram for Moore machine. In the diagram, along with every state, there is a symbol written below it, which is an output symbol associated with that state. By using transition table, we can draw the transition diagram for Moore machine, or we can draw this diagram in this form. The output is symbol associated with that state. We can write output and state in circle. The Q0, it will produce the output 0, Q1, it will produce the output 1, and Q2, it will produce the output 2. Now, we will discuss about the Mealy machine example. Design Mealy machine accepting the language consisting of a string from sigma is equal to 0, 1 and ending with 00 or 11. Means the string is accepted by Mealy machine, the string is ending with 00 or 11. Let us assume that the output alphabet delta is equal to yes or no and the sigma is equal to 0, 1. Y is nothing but yes will be the output if string is accepted, and n is nothing but no will be the output if string is not accepted by the machine. Let us assume that the initial state is Q0. From Q0 there will be two transitions, one on 0 and other on 1, as sigma is equal to 0, 1. On 0, we should make the transition to some other state, say P0, which will look for second consecutive 0 to get 00. Similarly, on one transition will go to P1, which will look for second consecutive 1 to get double 1. In P0 we get 0. It should remain in the same state and should produce output Y, as we got double 0. It should remain in the same state because the string may be of the form 0 0 0 0. Similarly, in P1, if it gets 1, it should go to itself with output Y, indicating it has got double 1. Now, in P0, if we get 1, machine should make a transition to P1, which will be checking for second consecutive 1. And in P1, if we get 0, it should show the transition from P1 to P0, which will be looking for second consecutive 0. Here, end process at a considering transition on both 0 and 1 from every state. Figure shows the final Mealy machine with given requirements. This table shows the machine function table and state function table. The lambda is machine function table. It produces the output alphabet delta, and the del is a transition function. It produces the states. If state is a Q0 and the input is a 0, then in machine function table it will produce the output no. If state is a Q0 and input is a 1, then in machine function table it will produce the output no. Same in a transition function table, if state is a Q0 and the input is a 0, it will produce the next state, that is P0. And in Q0 state, if input is a 1, then it will produce the output P1 state. By using transition diagram, we construct machine function table lambda and the transition function table del. Next example is design Mealy machine to find out 2's complement of a given binary number. It will be much similar compared to the previous problem. Steps to be followed are: number 1, read bit by bit from LSB. Number 2, keep the bits unchanged till you get first 1. Do not replace this 1 by 0. Keep that also unchanged. Number 3, the remaining bits are to be changed from 0 to 1 and from 1 to 0. The design here requires the two states, that is Q is equal to Q0 and Q1 state. In this transition diagram, there are two states, Q0 and Q1 state. With Q0 as the initial state, Q0 will read 0 without replacing them till it gets first 1. On getting first 1, it makes a transition to Q1, which now replace each coming 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. This table shows the machine function table and transition function table. Now, in Q0 state, in machine function table, if we get the input is 0, then it will produce the output 0. And the input is 1, then it will produce the output 1. In transition table, in Q0 on 0 input symbol, it will produce the output 0, and on 1 input symbol, it will produce the output 1. Same in a Q1 state, if input is a 0, it will produce the output 1. If input is a 1, it will produce the output 0. In Q1 state, we replace it 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Let us simulate the working of this Mealy machine. If the input is 1010, reading from right to left, the output can be obtained by reading bottom to top. As we are taking input in a reverse order, right to left, output will be 0, 1, 1, 0. We read the number right to left, that is 0, 1, 0, 1. Q0 is the initial state of the machine. If the input is 0, it will go to the next state, Q0 state, and it will produce the output 0. Current state of the machine is a Q0. Next input is a 1. It goes to the next state, that is Q1 state. It will produce the output 1. Next current state of the machine is a Q1 and the input is a 0. Then next state is a Q1 and it will produce the output 1. Then current state of the machine is a Q1 and input is a 1. It will go to the next state, that is say self state, Q1 state, and it will produce the output 0. That is, in 2's complement, we read the bit right to left, keep the bits unchanged till you get first 1. Do not replace this 1 by 0. Keep that also unchanged. After reading this 1, we replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0 in Q1 state. Thank you.